Now question number 2 beta, the SCF of 325 and 520. You know that why we are finding the SCF or LCM of any numbers at that time, means SCF of 325 and 520 means one number is 325, another number is 520. It means first number is equal to 325. Maybe you are understanding. Second number is equal to 520. And what the SCF of first number and second number is 65. 65, what is this? SCF. SCF is how much? 65. Okay. Find LCM. Find LCM is equal to what? Okay. Now put the values here in your formula. LCM into SCF is equal to first number into second number Okay. Now LCM we have to find, so write it as LCM into SCF is how much? 65 is equal to first number is 325 or second number is 520. Okay. So what I told you means unknown value multiplied by any number. So the number means whether we have to find means whatever we have to calculate that will remain here. So LCM is equal to, and the multiplication of whatever is there along with it. Okay, it will go on the right hand side denominator, means 325 into 520 upon 65. Okay, now try to cancel it. See that on 5 table it may be cancelled into 8. 5 8 is 44. 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 4 52. Okay, 520. You can see that if you will divide this 65 to 520, how many times it is cancelling? 8 times. 8 times. Okay, if you will divide the 520 by 65, 8 times it will divide it, means 8 will become as quotient. So LCM is equal to 325. You can do the division on your right hand side column as I taught you. Here every child will make on right hand side rough column, and the question you are doing yourself. Okay, those you will do by the pencil, and whatever I am teaching, these questions you will do by your pen. Okay, now see that. And so LCM is equal to, multiply them, 8 5 is 44 remainder, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 4 22 remainder, 8 3 is 24, 24 plus 2, 8 3 is 24 plus 2 26. In this way what will be your answer? 2600. Okay, so do in this way. I am going to homework now. Proceed to the next question number 3 beta. The product of two numbers is 800. This time it is not given in a first, sometimes it is given in a first number and second number form. Sometimes it is not given first number or second number form. It is not given, it means at that time their product is given. So this formula is of two forms, means it can be written of two types. Same way you can see that in this question you have to given product. Product of the numbers how much? Product of the number is 800, means in place of first number or second number directly you can write 800. Okay, 800. And their LCM you have to given 80. You have to find SCF. So how you will find? SCF is equal to product of numbers divided by LCM. Product of numbers divided by LCM. So in this way you will get your answer. So question number 3 will be your homework. And you are instructed that you will show your homework in the classroom app you are using now. So nobody will send in WhatsApp. All the children will send their homework in means that classroom app. Okay, so I am leaving question number 3 as your homework. Question number 4, see that if SCF of 186 and 496 is 62, what is their LCM? It is question number 4. Is same as question number 2, right? Just now I have done. So this will also be your homework. Okay, so this will also be your homework. Now proceed to the question number 5. If LCM of 560 and 84 is 8400, find their SCF. Now see that question number 5th. The LCM of 560 and 840 is 8400. See that LCM of 560. Don't take. Children are always confusing. They are taking it as LCM. These are numbers. These are numbers. Okay. And here it is written. I am writing it as age. LCM of age. You can see, connect the things. The LCM of age. It means what is the value of LCM? LCM is equal to 8400. It means find their SCF. SCF you have to find. Okay. SCF you have to find. See that now. What you will do? It means first number is 560 and second number is equal to 840. I am hoping that everybody of you have understood. Now put the values here. LCM how much? 8400. Okay, I am putting all these things now in this formula I have written. Into SCF we have to find. So write it as SCF is equal to, first number is 560 or second number is 840. Okay, now SCF is equal to 560 into 840 upon 8400. I told you na that whatever the number is along with the unknown value, whatever the multiplication will be along that will go on the denominator on the right hand side, or whatever if it is on left hand side, then it come on the left hand side denominator. Now this 0 will be cancelled by this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled by this 0. You can see that 84 is cancelled by 84. So what will be the value of SCF? 84 1 ja 84. So what will be the SCF? SCF will be 56. So in this way you can complete this question also. That beta question number 6 now. How many pens would be required to make complete sets of 12, 15 and 20? And in hint it is bracket, it is written that find their LCM. So you can find the LCM of 12, 15 and 20. So question number 6. Question number 6 is also your homework, because LCM I taught you how to find LCM. Okay. Then in question number 7, find the greatest number that can be divisible by 285, 343 and 372 when 5 is added to them. So what we will do? First of all, we will add 5 to each of the number and then we will find their SCF. This question I am doing. See that question number 7 now. Find the greatest number that can divide 285, 343 and 372 when 5 is added to them. Means after adding 5, you have to find the SCF of these numbers. See that, add 285 plus 5. What it will be? 290. Okay. Then 343 plus 5. What it will be? 348. Okay. And 372 plus 5 is equal to 377. Now we have number 290, 348 or 377. What we will do? We will find their SCF. What we will do? We will find their SCF. Now we are going to their finding their SCF. See here now. First take 290 is a smaller number. So divide 290 by 348. Okay. 291 ja 290. By the long division method I am doing, as I taught you yesterday. Now take the remainder 8 and here 14. 14 minus 9, 5. Now 58 divide 290. See that by multiplying how many times it is going. 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 5 ja it will go, 5 8 ja 40, 4, 5 5 ja 25, 25 plus 4 29. Okay, so it is completely divided. 55, last divisor is 58. So now by 58, okay, 58, what is the third number? 377. By 377 you will divide by the last divisor, that is 58. Okay, now see that on the right hand side. Now I am doing 58 divide 377 as we were doing previously. 5 7 ja 35, 58 6 ja. If I will take 58 into 7, 8 7 ja 56, 6, 5 carry, 5 7 ja 35. Oh, it is being more. So how many times it will go? 6 times. What answer is coming? 8 6 ja 48, carry 4, 8 6 5 ja 30 or 4 34. Okay, now see that remainder 7, 17 minus 8 9. Okay, here it will be 6, 6 minus 4 2, 29. 29 divided 58. So 2 ja maybe, 2 9 ja 18, 1 carry, 2 2 ja 4 or 1 5. So last divisor means which has divided both the number. So that is 29. So SCF is 29. So that will be your answer. So in this way, up to the question number 7 we have completed. What we have done? First of all, we have added 5 as according to the instruction to all the 3 numbers. Then we write them, and then we write the number in their increasing order. Already it was given in increasing order. Then we have divided first number by the second number, and whatever the remainder was coming, and we were further doing the division on the previous divisor. Or in this way I got that 58. By that 58 means whatever the SCF of 2 numbers came, by that SCF we will divide the third number. Okay, I have divided it here, and then last divisor will make the remainder 0. That will be your SCF. Okay, that will be your SCF.